out or do the winner?
I say reveal the winner first, and the runners up.
Yeah.
All right.
And then we'll do a speed round because most of them except for Sydney have other sound effects.
Everyone's getting a prize.
Yeah, everybody gets a prize.
All
right.
Start with those two runners up there. You have the.
I have the official list here. Coming in at number 4, fourth runner-up,
Yes.
Derek.
Hey!
Jared!
My gift's not as awesome.
Wait, here you go. Do it.
That was Derek. At number 3, step up to the microphone and collect your prize, and let's hear your sound effect. Sydney!
Hey, Sydney! Congratulations.
By the way, it's Sydney's
Nice job.
birthday today.
Hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sorry, Sydney, we do not do birthday showers.
Sydney and Derek both got 2 breakfasts at Wendy's and 2 lunches at Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes!
Don't go. Well, I would say don't spend it all at one place.
You kind of have
Two
to.
places.
Go to Friendly's when you and Gio go.
Yeah.
Number 2, which obviously will reveal the winner. Or should I just reveal the winner?
Should we do?
How they do that on
Reveal-
They do it on Miss America.
On
Let's do the
Survivor.
American Idol. Hold on.
How they do it
God.
on Stupid Survivor?
They're hugging each other. On Survivor, they reveal the winner.
this, man.
Should I should reveal the
This is
winner?
what Jeff always says. This is when you want to see your name.
All right, so the winner is going to get a $50 Panera gift card, $50 to Dunkin' Donuts, and a Pro FM prize pack. And that runner-up is going to get $25 to Panera and breakfast at Wendy's and lunch at Dunkin'.
And the winner is...
I love that.
Jay!
Congratulations!
Yes!
Jay.
Squeaky Toy does it!
Nice job.
Let me say, it was tough.
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again. I'm like a little 5-year-old. Do it again.
Say mini Jess and do it.
Yeah. Mini Jess.
I have my toy. My dog has a toy that sounds just like that.
And not to be left out, let's hear Manny's sound effect again. He's the second runner-up.
We do have a round robin really quickly.
Yes.
All 3 of you step up to the mic, just
sure.
really quickly. Well, Sydney only has the one.
Okay.
All right, so the 3 guys have other ones. Just do random other ones.
All right,
Just
I'll let you do
we're
yours
doing
first.
random.
jump in.
That was Jay.
This is Kim Zandy driving to work. Insert commentary.
I have a stick shift. Oh crap! There's a cop.
That's where she kills the rabbit.
Nice there.
Oh,
And finally,
Manny.
silliest contest.
I love it.
we've ever done.
I love it.
No question about it.
Nice job,
Yeah.
everybody.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming in,
Congratulations,
everybody.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us. It was awesome.
Human sound effects, mouth off.
Including you. Minnie Jess. Hey, where's Squeak Toy? Minnie Joyce.
So
I love it. I love it. It's awesome.
Coming up at 15.
Oh, I don't know what we're talking about.
23 now, Pro FM.